What was said and done in grand jury is reprehensible. The result of it brings us to today. This matter will be expunged.
Happening right now only on 7 News, a man tried and convicted for various sex crimes against children walked out of the Marshall County Courthouse today a free man after the judge said that the prosecuting attorney's office ruined the case from day one. Thank you for joining us for 7 News at 6. I'm Steve Moore. So how did this all unravel? 7 News reporter Stephanie Grinley was in that courtroom and has the reasons for release that you'll only see right here on 7 News.
Michael Daniel Bowman, serving 50 to 200 years for sex crimes, walked out of this courthouse today with no chains and to not serve another day in prison for his previously convicted crimes.
You're a free man. Thank you.
Mr. Bowman was just set free. His indictment and case was dismissed with prejudice, which means at this point it cannot come back pending an investigation into other indictments from the July 2015 term of the Marshall County Grand Jury.
Marshall County Judge David Hummel Jr. was compelled to rule this way after hearing the court-ordered transcript from the grand jury in 2015, where he says it was the fatal flaw, the misstep of day one.
The prosecutor did not instruct the grand jury as to what the law was.
How can you decide probable cause when those terms were not defined to you? Even the current prosecution supports the judge's ruling today.
I can tell you that that is not the practice of my office, not to give legal instructions on the law.
The court ruled that the former prosecuting attorney did not shield the grand jury from bias. So now, after serving 3.5 years in prison, Bowman will be reimbursed for his $35,000 defense costs somehow.
If I don't protect his rights, I don't protect anybody's rights.
The judge said this ruling does not just open a can of worms, but Pandora's box. Canestraro just took office, so he now has the responsibility of looking into all the other indictments from that term. If it is found that in 2015 there were widespread fatal flaws in other cases, then Bowman's case will stay with prejudice, meaning the case cannot be reopened. But
if he finds otherwise, then we may be able to bring it back again and re-indict him.
dismissal with prejudice while under review means that Bowman will not be registered as a sex offender and that the prosecution will have to do a lot of digging before Bowman could be seen in court again. In Marshall County for 7 News, I'm Stephanie Grinley, working for you.